What's up, everybody? Today I will be covering on how I acquired my bias DOL and how I built my narrative with today's price action. Today is March 4th, 2026, and I took a win on two evals. Now let's get it started. So, first we're going to be starting off with the high time frame, of course, and we're going to be covering the 4 hour, as we can see everything here. So, what do we have going into session? Going into session, we have this external SMT of this sell side liquidity, which is this low on ES, which is also held with that daily buy side imbalance. So at this point, I am still considering taking this low on NQ, if I were to be bearish. So if this for this SMT to be valid, I would still want to see this bearish displacement instead of us reacting. However, because we are reacting off of this external SMT, that means that the holding of ES with this gap and this swing low that we swept, and us getting that bullish reaction means that this SMT is valid and is holding. So now I am looking way more bullish. Now if we scale lower, we see how we're actually continuing to disrespect these bearish imbalances and respect these bullish ones. So going into session, I still want to see bullish reaction up until what? I want to see it up until this swing high or these swing highs. Latest as possible. So my draw was essentially this swing high for this session. However, I wanted to see us take this and probably stop at this imbalance. As high, like super high time frame, I'm still super bearish, and I want to see this us like around this previous week lows. So super high time frame, I'm still bearish, but typically I'd want to see us holding bearish order flow at around this area with these imbalances, or to again rebalance this range once again and hold bearish structure with these gaps or this key level. So my draw was this swing high. I'm fully bullish until that point. So that's how I got my bias. I set these conditions. I wanted to see price open and respect these, and we do hold this sponsored 1 hour gap, and we continue bullish. In the next video, I will be going over